If you've heard about WordPress, but you're not really familiar with WordPress and you're wondering about the different ways to use WordPress and how it can help you, that's what I'm going to talk about in this specific video. Now, with WordPress is known for running personal blogs, nonprofit blogs, or even business blogs. But it's not just a blogging platform, and that's what it's known for initially. But it's expanded to a point where it can be used for so many other different things. So what I want to do is specifically cover what it can do. So besides blogging, it's a content management system that is so user-friendly that a newbie could figure out how to use it and could easily edit content on a blog or on a website, landing pages, or even squeeze pages. And if you're not familiar with squeeze pages, they are basically landing pages which captures an email address. You can create business websites. In fact, a lot of business websites, really professional looking websites, are run by WordPress. And the amazing thing is, while it looks great on the front end, on the back end, you have a content management system like WordPress that's running it, and it's so easy to use. Somebody who is not technical can come through, learn how to use it very, very easily. And of course, websites with WordPress can be automated in such a fashion where you can fulfill certain jobs that are normally done manually. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, that you are a headhunting job staffing company. You could use WordPress plugins, which are add-ons to the WordPress system, that will enable you to gather, for example, the information about a job applicant. You can take that, you can put it into a database so that you can interview them later. You can do all of that, and all of that can be automated simply by using what we call our WordPress plugins. Now, you will need to find a WordPress plugin that is related to that specific niche. But with WordPress being so big, there are tons and tons of WordPress plugins out there with so many different ways to solve many different needs. So what I want to do now is just to show you the many different ways that you can use WordPress. So here are just some of the many examples of different ways to use WordPress. Now, as you can see, you can pretty much use WordPress for any niche. And right now we're looking at a WordPress theme for gamers, a WordPress theme for weddings, a WordPress theme for e-commerce, and more. And as you can see here, if we take a look at this specific site, which is called themeforce.net, you're able to easily buy WordPress themes and dynamically change them at such amazing rates. So for example, this is an example of a WordPress theme. Now take a look at this design here. With WordPress, you can easily switch the look of the site very, very quickly. So a lot of these WordPress themes will provide you with different options that you can use to switch the look and the design really, really easily. And if you think about it, back in the day, you were never really able to do this. So with just a few clicks of a button, you're able to dynamically edit the WordPress theme to fit your needs. And the beauty is that there are thousands and thousands of not only free WordPress themes, but there are also tons and tons of premium WordPress themes that look really, really nice. As you can see here, there are thousands among thousands of WordPress themes within just this marketplace alone. and there are hundreds and hundreds of different marketplaces out there. So whatever your need might be, there is most likely a WordPress theme out there to fulfill that need. So now you can see that there are so many different ways of utilizing WordPress besides just being a website. You can do so much more. You can add plugins onto it to automate specific processes that your company might need. So as you can see, there are so many different ways to use WordPress.